Popular American actor Ray Liotta passed away in his sleep while shooting a film in Dominica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. The cinematic world of entertainment has been plunged into mourning following the sudden passing of American actor Ray Liotta. Ray Liotta passed away in Dominica while shooting a film. It is stated in a report that he'd passed away in his sleep. A number of people have took to social media just in order to offer condolences to his family and friends, and some of those who might have known him as well took to social media just to offer their gratitude and sincere condolences to his family. So the actor Ray Liotta, known for his role in the films Fields of Dreams and Goodfellas, has passed away. He was aged 67 years old. Ray was said to be working on a project in the Dominican Republic called Dangerous Waters when he passed away. It is reported that he passed away in his sleep. He is survived by his daughter Kirsten and his fiancée Jessie, his publicist told reporters. Ray was born in New Jersey and was the adopted son of Alfred and Mary Liotta, who also adopted a daughter, Linda. He attended Union High School where he excelled at sports and went on to attend the University of Miami. He studied drama and was cast in the first play Carabette. Following his college graduation, Ray moved to New York City where he got into commercial and was cast for the Josie Perrone on the daytime soap opera World Another, in which he appeared from 1978 to 1981. Ray won a Primetime Emmy Award in 2005 for his guest stint on the television show The ER. The outpouring of grief over the sudden passing of actor Ray was joined together by his fiancée Jessie. She broke her silence on Instagram during the course of the week, calling the late actor the most beautiful person inside and out I've ever known, she stated. His fiancée Jessie made a post on her Instagram account which read, "My life these past couple of years have been nothing but truly magical. Ray and I share a deep love that I will cherish in my heart forever. We laughed daily and we were inseparable. The chemistry was wild in the best way. He was everything in the world to me, and we wouldn't get enough of each other. The kind of real love that one dreams of. He was the most beautiful person inside and out I've ever known, and that's even an understatement," she posted on her Instagram account. Ray Liotta was an American actor, producer, and director who had a net worth of $14 million up to the time of his passing. Ray became an iconic figure after playing the lead character in the classic mafia movie Goodfellas. Outside of this one-in-a-lifetime role, Ray has found considerable success in both film and also TV roles. Unfortunately, Ray passed away on May 26, 2022 at the age of 67. He passed away in his sleep in the Dominican Republic where he was staying during the filming of a movie known as Dangerous Waters. The biggest moment in Ray's career probably came in 1990 when he was cast for the lead role in the unforgettable mafia movie Goodfellas. The film grossed over $46 million in the United States alone. Countless critics consider it to be the best film of the year or one of the greatest gangster films of all time. Up to the publication of this report, it is not immediately clear what caused the passing of the actor. However, it's been speculated that he might have passed away from a heart attack. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.